Mercer Health provides primary care in many convenient locations throughout the area.
Primary care, which may be provided by a physician or nurse practitioner, includes annual wellness visits,
management of chronic conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis, and treatment of acute situations such as sinus infections and injuries.
Your primary care provider can really help ensure that we are taking care of your whole patient, so that we're doing those wellness screenings. We're also watching for things like high blood pressure, depression and anxiety, good sleep hygiene, good lifestyle habits and choices, so that we can really help to keep you healthy and maintain that over time. Regular wellness screening exams are certainly important for people of all ages. For younger children and infants, certainly at that time, we're really focusing more on their growth, on their overall well-being, and on their developmental milestones. Those things change as kids get older, so when they're in the school system, then certainly we're still looking at growth and development, but we're also looking at things like mood, any mental health concerns. Do we have good sleep hygiene? Are we being smart about screen time and making good choices there?
So I'm a primary care physician, so that means that I take care of patients at all ages of life, so all the way from newborn to end of life care. One of my passions is prevention, so really talking with people about how do we avoid some of the problems that can occur later on in life.
And then even for adults, those regular wellness visits allow us to continue kind of along that same theme of ensuring that we have good lifestyle choices and habits in place, ensure that we are, getting adequate sleep, make sure mental health is in a good position. It also allows us to keep an eye on things like blood pressure, for example, making sure that you're getting regular labs done as appropriate. Those things really change depending on the age, the gender of the patient, what other maybe medical problems or comorbidities they may have. But it is important that we're watching those things over time so that we can help to prevent more chronic issues down the road.
Wellness checks as an adult are extremely important. There are a lot of things that maybe can cause chronic problems that you don't know you have because they don't cause symptoms. So things like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, you're not going to know you have these things unless we test for them. So we'll screen for those things, and also your blood sugar. You don't know if it's high if you don't check it. So there's a lot of things that maybe you feel like you feel okay, but these chronic diseases can manifest asymptomatically. For our community to have access to such great medical providers, a hospital with exceptional staff, to be able to have your care locally is so important. The community really should feel really fortunate that they have such an awesome facility and group of physicians and hospital staff locally who can provide their care.
For a full listing of Mercer Health's primary care locations and providers, visit mercer-health.com.